Very nice. Dran Dagger. Let's have the Dran Sword, which the Dran Sword has 3 points, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has more contact points. Okay, but yeah, as I know, the Dran Dagger is for much speed. Okay, so it's much faster. Let's see if it's much faster. So let's combine the Dran Dagger. Okay, right there and right there. Okay, nice. But even it's 60, it's more taller. Oops, it's more taller, maybe because of the rush. Yeah, a little bit taller because of the rush is much higher right here. Then next, let's have your Night Shield, and our Night Shield right now is a Taper. Yeah, this is the Taper. A Taper beat. Yep, Taper, and then it's Ratchet is 5. That is 580. Ooh, high. Then its Blade is your Violet Knight Up Shield. Okay, it's your Violet Knight Shield. So it's very nice. Yeah, let's combine it. And okay, that's it. The next one and the last one will be your Shark Edge, and our Shark Edge will have the bit of flat. This is your flat. So I think this will be very aggressive, man. It's flat. So the flat rush is flatter than the flat. Okay, and then its Ratchet is 380. Ooh, a little bit high, but it's 3 nice. This will be my third Shark Edge. Yeah, because the first is I have 2 Shark Edge, which I will sell that Shark Edge, which this one is the one I really use, and the other one is at the box, still at the box right there, which is already opened. Okay, so this is your Shark Edge. It's my third Shark Edge. Alright, Shark Edge in green. Very nice. The green is also nice. So, in the amount of, I think, 1,499, which I bought it on the Toys R Us in Bacolod City, you will have 5 Beyblades already. So that's why I choose this one. Because, yeah, I will have 4, no, not 5 or 4, 3 Beyblades in that price. Yeah, so much better. Okay, so to know the performance of these 3, let's get our stadium and let's have a spin test and a test battle with these 3, among these 3, and yeah, maybe we'll get another Beyblades also right here. Okay, ready? Let's go. Let's get our stadium. Okay, so now we have